Hey everyone, and welcome. What if I told you there's a way to sharpen your memory that takes just 2 minutes, is totally free, and is backed by some really solid science? Well, today we're going to break down a simple morning hack that can give your brain a serious upgrade all before you've even had your first cup of coffee. Okay, get this. The big takeaway is that just 2 minutes of morning sunlight can improve your memory recall by up to 10%. We're talking about a real, noticeable difference in your ability to remember names, tasks, and all that important stuff throughout your day. I know, 10% just from looking outside. It sounds a little too good to be true, right? But there is a really powerful biological reason this works. So let's break down exactly what's happening inside your brain when you do this. To really get this, you have to see morning light as way more than just a signal to open your eyes. Think of it as the trigger that boots up your brain's entire operating system for the day. You're not just waking up your body, you're firing up a crucial command center in your head. And that master clock, well, that's your circadian rhythm. It's this internal 24-hour cycle that basically dictates when you feel sleepy, when you feel alert, and this is the important part, how efficiently you can learn and recall information. And morning light, it's the single most important signal to set that clock correctly. So how does a little bit of light physically translate into a better memory? Let's dive into the biology of it all. What actually happens the second that morning sunlight hits your eyes? All right, the real hero of our story here is a part of your brain called the hippocampus. You can think of it as your brain's memory hub. It's responsible for forming, organizing, and retrieving all your memories. So if we want to improve memory, we've got to get the hippocampus activated and ready for action. The process is actually a super simple chain reaction. First, that bright natural light comes into your eyes. This sends a signal to immediately shut down the production of melatonin. That's the hormone that makes you sleepy. As those melatonin levels drop, your hippocampus wakes up and comes online, which sharpens its ability to access memories. The result? Your recall becomes way quicker and a lot more precise. And look, this isn't just some nice idea. It's backed by real science. Studies have actually confirmed it. When researchers compare groups of people, the ones who get that early morning sun consistently do better on memory and cognitive tests than the people who start their day in dim artificial light. The data is pretty clear on this one. Okay, so we've got the why down. Now for the fun part, the how. How do we turn all this science into a simple, repeatable action? Think of it like a daily 2-minute workout before your brain. Here's the routine. It's so simple. Sometime within about 30 minutes of waking up, just step outside or get in front of an open window. Now, the key here is no sunglasses. Your eyes need to register the full brightness. And yeah, put the phone away. This is just about your brain and the light. All it takes is 2 minutes. That's it. Okay, so I know what you're probably thinking. Can I just get this light from my phone or my kitchen light? The answer, honestly, is a hard no, and it's really important to understand why. See, sunlight gives off this full-spectrum, high-energy signal that our biology has evolved over thousands of years to respond to. It's like a loud, clear shout to your master clock that the day has officially begun. The light from a screen? It's like a weak little whisper in comparison. It's just not powerful or broad enough to trigger that same vital chain reaction in your brain. And while that immediate memory boost is fantastic, the real power of this habit comes from doing it every day. This isn't just a quick fix. It's a serious investment in your long-term cognitive health. Let's look at how this builds over time. By making this a daily habit, you're not just getting a little morning boost. You're actually improving your ability to learn new things. You're enhancing your overall mood, and you're even promoting deeper sleep. And you know, better sleep is when your brain locks in memories from the day. It creates this amazing, positive feedback loop for your brain's performance. So here's my challenge to you. Just try it. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, before you do anything else, go get those 2 minutes of natural light. And then just pay attention during your day. Notice if it feels a little easier to recall a name, a number, or that one thing you were supposed to do. Just remember this. By taking 2 tiny minutes to intentionally set your brain's clock, you're actually taking control of your focus and memory for the rest of the day. It's such a simple idea, but an incredibly powerful one.